today I'm going to share with you a recipe from the cucumber. Every Saturday in Barbados, you find many Barbadians buying a dish called pudding and sauce. I showed you how to make pudding. I'm going to link in the iCards above and the description box below how you can make the pudding. But there is also another dish that you use with this popular pudding sauce. We're going to be making that today. Pickled cucumbers. So delicious, and it takes no time at all. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 medium-sized cucumbers. We have half of a sweet pepper chopped red and half of a sweet pepper chopped green. We have 1 medium-sized onion chopped and about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We have a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of cayenne to bring the heat. This is optional. Some grated carrot and 1 lime. Our first step is to prepare the cucumber. Now you know we can eat the cucumber with the skin on, but just for aesthetic value, we want to remove some of the skin. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut off the tops and the bottoms of our cucumbers. You can use either a knife or a potato peeler or vegetable peeler. I'm going to use a vegetable peeler, and we are going to remove some of the skin. Try to leave a nice design. Now we're going to slice our cucumbers. Now I like to have my cucumbers sliced thinly. So you can take your time, practice your knife skills, and slowly slice your cucumber. Should be as thin, paper thin like this. Some persons can go ahead and use a box grater, but I prefer to practice my knife skills and do it like this. Now we finished, so we're going to add our cucumber slices into a large bowl. Then we're going to dress it. This is going to be so delicious. It takes no time at all. You will see it will be done in less than 5 minutes. So once we have our cucumbers here, we're going to go ahead and prepare to dress it. Now some persons do not like the taste of raw onion, so I always soak my onions in apple cider vinegar for a few moments, and that removes that bite you'll get. So while that's soaking, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the sweet pepper, red and green. We're going to add the carrots. Now this is optional, but it just gives it such a pop of color. We're going to add our pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. Now remember, the cucumbers are water based, so when we add the salt to it, it will start to spring the water. Mix everything together. Now we're going to add our lime juice. This is essential, absolutely essential, to add our lime juice to it. And once we've mixed everything together and taste it, you can add some more if you think it needs some more. Now the final ingredient to add our onions, and if some of the vinegar goes in, that's quite all right. Now we'll mix everything together and allow it to just marinate for a few moments, and then our pickled cucumbers are done. Just look at that liquid that has sprung from the cucumbers. Because they're so watery, that is just delicious goodness. Now it's time to taste. You can smell the pickled cucumber before you even get to taste it. One that's filled with all of that delicious liquidy goodness. delicious. That aftertaste you get from the heat, you have to try it. Should you happen to be trying one of the Bajan traditions, this is a must. Pickled cucumber. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this Bajan recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other Bajan recipes, and once you watch them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.